We're in the middle of reading workshop, and we just finished up the midnight lesson. The philosophy behind reading workshop is that children get to choose what they read, and therefore they're more engaged. Some of them have favorite authors, some of them have favorite series, and therefore they are stakeholders in this, and they're the ones who are benefiting from it because they get to decide and choose. Part of the reading workshop is the small groups. So during this time, I'm about to do a small group of 4, and these readers I'm going to pull over. I'm going to read a story. Today's challenge was to stop, think, and retell a story to make sure you're understanding it. So we're going to model that in group for them and let them have an opportunity to experience it with each other, and then they can go and do it on their own. What I found is that children are truly engaged in reading workshop and are very disappointed when it's time to stop. But we have a writing workshop right after this, and this is where they get to choose what they write, so that they're engaged with that.